how to increase willpower yourself without any professional help is today's topic. Now, many of you have written to the team that we don't have that much of money that we go for any sort of energization and any sort of professional help. So, is there any way out for that also? So today I'll be talking about this. Now, first of all, to start this topic, I would like to recommend one video which is already there on Mahakali Vedic Healing Shelter channel, that is Energized Gemstones. I have explained in detail as to why energized gemstones are important, and not important that you just go and buy a gemstone, spend lakhs of money and just come back and wear them. They will not work. So why they will not work, there is a separate video for that. Now coming back to the topic. See, you have to understand one thing. Willpower is connected to Mars. Okay, planet Mars is the direct connection that has with the willpower of any human being, whether a girl or a boy. Now when this gets disturbed, along with several other aspects of other planets, the willpower starts decreasing. You start losing your self-confidence or even the courage to do something yourself. Okay, so what can be done yourself without spending money here and there and not going to a professional help? So the first thing is, you can always take a salt water bath from the head, okay, in the morning, and dip your feet in the night in warm water, again with 1 teaspoon of salt, and this would actually cleanse out a lot of toxins from your body. That is scientifically proved also. But otherwise also your mind will also get cleansed with this. What you need to do along with this is, you need to read Hanuman Chalisa on everyday basis. At least do this for 45 days. Also with this, don't forget, because it's an incomplete process if you do not remember Lord Rama with this, because as you know that Hanumanji's lot of love and devotion is towards Lord Rama, so you must remember him also. Another 45 days. So this is one complete process, reading Hanuman Chalisa for 45 days along with Lord Rama's any Chalisa or any Stuti, anything you can do. Along with this, start wearing a lot of saffron color clothes, orange clothes, because it's again associated with planet Mars. Red would be very strong. It will take you to the section of the sun planet. So avoid red. What I'm talking about is a typical orange color. Like you have this fruit which is orange. So the outer peel of orange fruit is the color that I'm talking about. And also go to the temple of Hanumanji and pick up the tika which is there, the saffron color tika that this sinduri thing that Hanumanji's murtis have in some temples. So start applying that everyday basis. Do that regularly. If you can't apply that on the forehead, you can also use that behind your ears. So the first thing is the right ear and then the left ear. So it won't be visible also if you're from the corporate section, or if you find that it's not allowed in our offices, especially in the overseas section I'm talking about. So start doing these things. So wearing orange clothes, salt water bath and Hanuman Chalisa. Now this has to continue for 45 days. Remember, even if one day you miss it, you again go back to that series and start it again. So not even one day you have to miss. This is a complete sort of a process. After 45 days, what you can do is, on every Tuesdays and Saturdays you can actually continue. However, if you think that you can continue this for a lifetime, then as it is, it's very good for balancing your Mars and your willpower and your confidence. So start doing this, and then come back and tell us on the mail that whether this actually helped you or not, because 95% we have seen people that who actually do this with a lot of faith and devotion. It really helps. And even then, and this is, we are talking about the self-healing thing. Beyond this, if you think that something is really wrong, then of course you have to contact a specialist. We can contact us or anyone else also. So that's about it. I'll end the video right here, and see you next week with another topic. Till then, goodbye.